Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, welcome to my vlog, and this is the last time I was concentrating on the wife's 96 Mustang was 2 weeks ago when I decided I'm going to go ahead and change the motor out. Well, I got on our local Facebook page, Marketplace, and I found a guy 25 miles from the house who was actually selling a 3.8 that he just took out of a Mustang that was running. So that's where I'm going today. Is I'm going to go and try and put that motor in the back of my Escape, and if that doesn't work, then I'm going to pay him to bring it to the house. Stay tuned. We'll see how this turns out. So this is a continuation of getting my motor for the 3.8 96 Mustang, and we went to put it in the back and it's just not lifting high enough. We probably got a lack of hydraulic fluid in the piston. So we're going to put some more in. We're going to find out, because it's going to be the exact same scenario for me getting it back out, the exact same crane. I'm going to have to drop a couple of links on my chain when we do it. I've got some too. Of course, we're 3 inches too short getting it in here. Let's see. Let's see what that makes up. Get it in here. All right. Oh, we hope that's enough. Just need 2 more inches. All right, well, that was successful. We just had to put some more fluid in the ram, and we got the extra 2 inches I needed. And yes, you can carry a 3.8 liter motor in the back of your Escape, and this is a hybrid. So now we'll go through the exact same scenario, getting it out. All right. Well, we're home from that little travel, and we're going to do the exact same scenario that we did taking it out, or putting it in, should I say. I've got to adjust that. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. Slide this over. Go further. In there. Sit on its little tray there. Close up how it worked, and put the 2x4s underneath the oil pan, and then we had a little bit of foam here that was able to push on the door up here. And then of course they had a 2x4 in between. So, there we go. Gotta be careful, got that freaking intake manifold wide open. So you don't want to get anything in there, metal or otherwise. Okay, here we go. And I know how he had, I'm gonna adjust this, bring this up. He had like one loop through there. So we'll do that. Stop recording. The one issue we did have when we were getting it in there was there wasn't enough fluid in the ram. So he had to put some more fluid in here to get it to go up as high as we need it. This appears to be able to go that high. The question is, pressure wise, once you put some pressure on it to lift it up. Let's see, I'm getting ahead of myself here. But as you can see, I'm gonna have to lift this link up a little higher. Let's get this motor out of here. Instead, I gotta adjust chain link on this. That's an 18. Probably 35 degrees out. Wash air. Oh God. Try again. There. Hot washer on this. I chop that off eventually, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Okay, wait. Okay, we're tight. Now, I've got to find a small chain. Okay, we're at that point. I found some chain, and it should be just enough room for the hook to go through it. And we'll get this puppy out of here. Took me a little while to find everything I needed to do that. Jack this up a little more. Start using the handle. Yeah, the only question now is whether there's going to be enough fluid in here. Michael's didn't have enough fluid in there to do that. This is brand new too. All right. Beautiful. In there. I think I got it tight enough. What we need to do. Okay. Here we go, boys and girls. First time for this to be working. Knocked up. Okay. That didn't hurt. Let's see, what do I need to adjust? Maybe the screws and bolts will go a little deeper. So I'm still hitting. I wonder if I gotta go one more. It's gonna go sideways. Yeah, we're in here right now. Maybe I can go down one more. Take another link. Yeah, let's try that. Another link of the chain that's actually in the motor. Get two more. I only need just enough to get it to start moving here. Oh yeah, never mind. That's the way we did it. I didn't get it in there. I need to slide this out. Is what I needed to do. Get it out clear of the thing here. But I'll try something real quick. Cause yeah, that'd be the other thing. We slide it out, so I can clear this. Let's see if I can get one more thing on. I probably can't. I'm probably just gonna have to bring it out. Okay. Slide the tray out with the motor on it. Bolt as far down in that as I can. Both sides. Unfortunately, I can't get that last link in there the way I want it. Okay, let's see. I can get it up off just enough to get it start lifting it. Moving. Yep, you got enough. Sweet. Ain't that something? All right. That just proves we can carry a motor in the back of a Escape. These motors aren't much bigger. So here we go. And I had enough. I've got enough load in mine. So here we go. Come on. Let's go. There she is. Alright, now I back up a little bit more. That was enough to slide it out. There we go, boys and girls. Alright. Okay, and we're going to put it over here. I'm going to set it on here just like I had it in here. And basically it's just enough to set on the oil tank. Or set on the we set it on the oil tank. Come on. Freaking floors. The best. I had enough. I'm going to take that down just a little bit. I think it's sitting way the heck up there. Yeah, okay. Beautiful. Take it over here. Yeah. I got some nice things on my floor.
Come on.
That's the next run.